I am student of class 9 from St. School and College. Today we are going to learn about gravitation and universal law of gravitation. So have you ever wondered why the things fall down when we drop them? Why didn't it move upward or sideways? This is because the Earth's gravity pulls it down. Suppose if I throw this marker upwards, it will definitely falls down. So how does it happen? This is because of gravity. So according to Newton, every body in this universe attracts every other body with certain force. The force with which two bodies attract each other is called gravitational force or a gravity. Now our next topic is universal law of gravitation. So it is called universal law of gravitation because it is applicable in any body having a mass. It doesn't matter about the size of the object. It was given by Newton, that's why it is also known as Newton's law of gravitation. It states that every body in this universe attracts every other body with some force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Suppose we have two objects A and B having a mass of m1 and m2 and the distance between these two objects is r. Let us consider the force of attraction between these two objects dm. So from universal law of gravitation we know that F is directly proportional to product of their masses means m1 and m2. Which means that if we will increase the masses of these two objects, then the force of attraction between these two objects will also increase. And if we will decrease the masses of the objects, then the force of attraction between these two objects will also decrease. We also know that force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Which means that if we will increase the distance between these two objects, then the force of attraction between these two objects will decrease, because it is inversely proportional. And let us consider this question first and question second. And now by combining these two equations, we get F is directly proportional to m1 and 2 by r square, which is equals to g m1 and 2 by r square. Here, keep in mind that if we will remove this proportionality sign from this equation, then the constant g will be added in this. And here g means universal gravitation constant. And the value of g is always fixed everywhere. And the value of g is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. And from these we got our formula